in lane 5. But before we get there, we have a couple of heats before, including this one, the Class 1 boys. 100 meters, 8 heats here. And this is the first of the 8. So just looking, lane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 are the lanes occupied. So you're looking here from St. Mary High, Tenet Daly, Clan Edward from Vere Technical, Riquelme Reid, the top man so far this season from Excelsior, Kyle Bowden from Kingston College right beside him, and then Tyree Sinclair from Green Island in 8.
I thought you were saying the tall man from Excelsior, but you said the top man from Excelsior. Yeah, Riquelme Reid has been creating quite a stir this season. Super fast out of Excelsior. Gone sub 10.20. I'm thinking even if he's relaxed in this race, he's probably going to be down in the 10.4s. Even if he's relaxed. Especially if he's pressed by Button on his right. Matt Morris
behind the line, not on top of it or touching it.
You certainly set this one up, Bruce.
Let's see how my predictions go. Sub 10.50 in the heats at Champs.
So they're sent away. Riquelme Reid left in the blocks. Barton from Kingston College gets a good start on the inside. Daly from St. Mary High as well. But here comes Riquelme Reid going forward now.
Don't worry about the flash time at 8:92. He has not broken the record. 10.32 seconds. Wind legal, positive 1.8. And he was left in the blocks, viewers. He was left in the blocks, listeners. We're going to show you that again. If you're on One Spot Media or TVJ or TVJSN, if you're on Fame FM, just trust us when we say that Riquelme Reid in the heats at Champs just ran 10.32. Guns goes, he's left behind, catches up very quickly, and he's running against a Bodden who's a 10.37 man himself. And then he tries to ease off a bit, but really didn't slow down, I'd say, Renardo, but definitely left in the blocks, which I think pushed him to drive a little harder, get the knees up. He did relax, but relaxing does not mean slowing down, Renardo. Lifted, went through. We have 3 boys, let me repeat, 3 who ran at the 10.3s or better.
And Bodden 10.37. Daly, who threatened on the inside,